coming to you from Bemis Crafty Corner, and I'm here today to announce the January 2021 Project of the Month. The Project of the Month is going to be Hatpins and Stickpins. Okay, this is going to be a class. We're going to be doing this live together, so it is limited to 10 people. So please beware that when you go into the shop, there's only 10 of these available. All right. If you want to buy multiples, talk to me, because if you buy a multiple, then that's one person who doesn't get to participate. Okay. So let's go ahead and take a look at what you're going to get, what's included, the price, and what we're going to be making. All right. So first up, we're going to make 2 hat pins. These 2 hat pins right here. We're going to be making these 2 beautiful hat pins. Very shiny, very sparkly. We're also going to be making these 4 stick pins. Very beautiful, very sparkly. Yeah. So we're going to be making all of those. So what do you need from your stash to make this happen? You need adhesive. You're going to want Gorilla Glue, the Clear Grip, E6000, one of those. You can use Beacon 3-in-1 on this one, or the Glossy Accents. I'm going to be using Glossy Accents for mine. If you want to use triple thick, you can use triple thick, but remember, you need to get one of these bottles with the little pinpoint applicator on it. You don't want to like glob it on there, so you, no matter which one of these you use, you want to make sure you use a very minute amount. You are looking for a non-water soluble clear drying glue. So if your glue says washes off easily with water, that's not the glue for this project, okay? All right, that being said, what comes in your kit? Well, your kit is going to come in a padded envelope inside of our regular kit mailer. Okay, you're going to get 2 of these mini clothespins, and the reason that you're getting them is so that when you have your beads, you can clip the clip on there and push it up and hold your beads on nice and secure. And as a bonus, you know, it works pretty good as a little stick pin holder. There we go. It holds your pins up for you so that you can, you know, look at what you're working, maybe add extra glue if you need to, those types of things. So you're going to get a couple of those in your kit. You're going to get a piece of cardstock that is pre-scored and pre-cut. All you need to do with this is, prior to the class, just kind of glue it up. Doesn't matter if you put the flap on the inside or the outside, just as long as you get this all glued up, and that becomes your bead tray, so that when you dump your beads, they don't go all over your desk, okay? So, got a bead tray in there for you. You're also going to get a piece of foam. Now, the foam has a couple of purposes. One, keeps you from getting your fingers poked by the pins that I'm sending you, and the second part is that it will hold your pins upright for you while you're working. You're going to get 2 hat pins, and they are located on one side. You can get one on one end, one on the other, but they're all both on one side of your foam. And then you're going to have 2 of these crystal tops, 2 pink pearl tops, 2 white pearl tops, and 2 white pearl teardrops. All right, so those are all going to be included in there. Now, you'll notice we're only making 6 pins, and you have 2, 4, 6, 8, plus the hat pins makes 10. So you're getting extra pins. You're going to get an extra of each one of the small pins for the stick pins. That's for you to add your beads to and for you to create. All right, you're also going to get this bag of bags. The bag of bags, that's right. You're going to get the bag of bags. All right, hat pin number 1, hat number 2, pin number 1, pin number 2, pin number 3, pin number 4. I went ahead and marked all these for you, and I separated all of the pins for each one of the items that we're going to be making into individual bags. That makes it easier for you and me and everybody else, and we don't have to have all those questions of, well, what goes next? You're going to know because it's in the bag, okay? All right. Cost on this one. The cost of the class, the supplies, and the shipping, all inclusive, $18. So $18 on this one. That includes your class fee, your supplies for this, and the shipping for that. $18 available in my Etsy shop today. Again, if you are thinking of buying more than 1 pack, please contact me directly, because I'm only allowing 10 people into the room. So if you buy more than 1 pack, then that's a seat that's not available for somebody else. So please contact me directly, okay? That's it, guys. That's all I have for you. Listen, if you haven't done so already and you're new here, please subscribe, like me, ring my bell, and share me with all of your friends. Then your friends can be my friends can be your friends, and our friends can be friends, and that's what a community is all about. Till I see you again the next time, guys, be safe. Bye-bye.